Myself, Aparanjani Priyadarshini, we are continuing the Bootstrap classes, and in this video we are learning about the reordering classes in Bootstrap. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, click on bell button, share and comment your doubts and like this video. Container, in this container, another row, and in this a column we will use column. Let me use a 3. This is inside this. Let me take one paragraph and another column of 3, H2, heading, so let me check this one. So this is our 4 columns in one row. So now this columns, here some text is there, different text. So this text reordering, the columns are going to be reordering. So here whatever the first column is there, that I want this first column, I want last. So just you can write order last, and this second column I want first. So order first you can write it. So now see, this is the first, and the first column becomes last, or otherwise we can write like this separately. Simply you can take, just write down some red background color, red only, and green background color, oh, sorry, this is a green, no? One, two, three colors. One more color we will take. Okay. So now here I will use that class also, so you can come to know red. So with the colors, whether the column is changed or not, you can see. So the text is, with the text also you can come to know. Now see. So actually the red color I have given the first, but the red color is, the red color column, complete column is moved to the last. So this is the order first and order last. So this is for first and last, only 2 classes will be there. Reordering the order first and last, any positions you can give it. At the same time, we will have another class also. The same thing I will copy and paste from here. copy and paste, but I'm going to removing this order last and first. So simply you can now this is actual colors. This is the actual order of our columns, not the colors exactly. We can say it is the order of columns. Now here I want to change this order. So first and last order classes we have learned. Here we have, this is order. I want this third position, and this I want fourth position, and this I want order first position, and this I want second position, position 2. So first is orange, second is first is green, second is orange, third is red, fourth is violet. The order I have changed. Now see. So the order has been changed. So okay. Now this also you can use hyphen MD, hyphen MD. So that means this order is going to be up to medium size only. The responsiveness after medium, it is not going to be the same. Now see, green has come in the third position, orange has come in the last position. So up to medium only the order is going to be preserved, because the breakpoints I have given like that. So this is about the reordering the columns. So we will have two classes. One is order first, the other one is order last, and all the breakpoints you can use XL, LG, MD, SL. All these you can use, and also you can use all the order, you can change all the column. You can give 1, 2, 3, or you can start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 also. It depends on your requirement, how you want, like that you can use it. Now the next one is column. We are going to be assuming as a row. So column in row we can use. So here another row. In this I am taking a column of 6. So this is a column of 6. Div column of 6. So actually this is a container. This container here I should write. Now see. So here 2 columns with the 6, 6. So here also I'll write column 6. Now this column becomes 6 grids, but inside this if you want to subdivide, so here I am going to use one H4. This is a column divides into 4, again 4, okay, into 4 columns. Now this column you need to assume as a row only again. Okay, so this is a we can say that this is completely again 12 grids. This 6 grid becomes a 12 grids. In this column 12 grids are there, 6 grids are there. So this column we need to assume those 6 grids as a 12 grids. And now in this I am going to divide in column of 4. So column 1 I am writing. So this is 12 grids it becomes. third one. Now see here. See here, this column becomes, this 6 grid column becomes again one row, and that row again I have divided into 3 columns, 4 grids. So this is column inside row. So column inside the row. You need to think like this. So this is about the reordering and column in the row. Thank you. We'll continue in the next video.